Hey everybody, quick video, 2005 Ford F-150 front brake change. You're going to jack it up to places of contact. As always, safety first. Clean off the brake parts with brake cleaner. Take these 13mm bolts out. One on the top, one on the bottom. Then you can lift the caliper off. That's going to reveal the brake shoes. You're going to spray that off again with cleaner, making sure everything's clean. There's your caliper. Get a bungee cord or a string. Hang that so you don't damage the hoses. And then that's the old stuff you got to take off. You got a clip, little spring there. Take the old shoes off. Put your new hardware on. Sometimes the brakes come with hardware. Use the hardware that comes with the thing. Clean the old stuff off, the metal, the rust, pebbles, whatever collects up there. Put your new hardware in. Put those ears through there. And by the way, I'm going to link to other videos that I have with me changing brake shoes. You're going to take the caliper, put both pads, old brake shoes there, and then you're going to compress the caliper so that they fit over those new fat brake shoes. So everything fits. Get some grease the back of the new brake pads, and put the little funny pin in just like that. Sandwich it with your hands, and then put the caliper back over it and put the bolts in, the 13mm bolts back in. Make sure that part, you realize that's flat on one side, flat on the top. That goes flush with that. Get your 13mm, tighten it back up. Thanks for watching. Be blessed.